Right, guys. Good morning. So I'm in this trade. Today is December 3rd, as you can see. For some reason, I can't put my face on the screen, but I guess this is going to have to do. So this is going to be the start of my series. I'm going to have this documenting my journey basically from, well, not evaluation because I passed my evaluation, but from funded to payout. This will be my first payout if I get there, and I want to document everything. To give you a better look at what's been going on, here's my November calendar. So I had some good weeks and some bad weeks. I was up like 2.5% until yesterday. I lost all that. I went on tilt. Um, I was actually up, which is the sad part on that day, but I have a problem with being impulsive and having FOMO. So when I clocked into the charts at like 3 p.m. to like start marking stuff up and start journaling and looking at things, I FOMO'd in a lot and I lost everything that I made that day. It wasn't huge. It was just I made a little over 1%, but I lost the 1% and I lost more than 1%. So it was a big red day. So let's go over my trade because I'm in a trade right now. As you can see, let's start at the daily. We're gonna hide everything here so you can see everything cleanly right here. So I'm looking at these gaps right here. I'm looking at these fair value gaps. They busted right through them, and on top of that, we are bullish on the structure. So when we have a bullish structure, we can expect those bearish PD arrays to not be respected as well as the bullish PD arrays. So once this bearish PD array, which is this bearish fair value gap, once it was disrespected, I have basically confirmed my bullish bias on the daily. I go to the 4 hour. I see price came in here at 0.6, tapped into the 4 hour fair value gap. I also look at the 1 hour, same thing. Look at the 15 minute. 15 minute came underneath this liquidity, tapped into the fair value gap that this was playing with. So it took out liquidity here and started shooting up immediately. So basically just confirming my bullish bias the whole way. And then I was looking at ES too for like some divergences. Didn't really see any that I took advantage of. And yeah, so that's what it is. So for the 15 minute, so I saw the liquidity taken out, the 1 hour fair value gap, where I'm also bullish on the 1 hour with the structure, bullish on the 4 hour with the structure. It just came into a deep retracement and then started on the push up. So kind of aiming for this right here. This is a long play. I don't do that maybe yet. Maybe I'll change in my trading career, but this will be the long play target that I don't think will be hit today. Could be though. And yeah, so I was bullish when I did my markups. So I just waited for a signal entry to help me. So I'll go back on the 1 minute to explain what I saw and why I got in. So I saw the fair value gap right here on 905, and I'm gonna go break even right here. So I saw the fair value gap at 905, and I was like, okay, cool. So that's the market opened at 930. And then at 9:30, you can see the quick dip right into that fair value gap. I don't have it marked out because I kind of had it memorized, but it kind of dipped in there real quick and then it started pushing up. Disrespected this bearish fair value gap, creating an inverted fair value gap. So, like I said, just confirming my bullish bias the whole way. And this is what I like to do right here, right? Once I see price get to 500, I like to put a stop around there. Looks like it's not going to happen right now, but whatever. We'll just keep an eye on it. Yeah, so just confirming my whole bullish bias the whole way. So I don't really have like a specific entry model. It's more just how would you say it? Whatever I see, whatever I feel, I'm just going with it. So yeah, so I dipped in there, inverted that fair value gap. Then I saw some bullish price action around here. I waited a little bit just to see how it would react off it. It'll just break through it again and then continue on the downside, or if it'll kind of respect it. As you can see, I entered like right here, kind of right where it was giving that bullish move. So I was like, okay, cool. Then I feel like it will respect it and it wants to move up a little bit more. So that's why I entered in the long. And that's my trade right now. So I'm just chilling on this. It looks like we're gonna get stopped out break even, which is okay. And we'll just go from there. If you, I have a whole bunch of rules and I don't know, guidelines basically that help me stop trading for break-even trades at a certain amount. And you're gonna hear a whole bunch of random stuff behind me. I got my kids running around everywhere, crazy, crazy. And yeah, looks like we just got stopped out right here. Boom, do it like that. So am I back up 50 grand? $41.90 today. Yeah. All right, cool. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna delete that, and then we're just gonna wait. We're gonna wait. We had uh, we had news. Oh yeah, we also had news at 10. I took the trade right here before news because if it was gonna continue pushing up, grabbing liquidity, I could have gotten break even before uh, before the news came out, protecting my position. So that's why I took it out. That's why I did it. I did it like 4 minutes before news. I was like, if it's gonna move, it's gonna move now. See, prices took me out and it's kind of moving right back in. I'll get ready to take another position. Just wait a little bit. So then now you can see my actual entry and what I look at. So I look at ES just to see the divergences and everything because of the same fair value gap that I'm looking at in Q. It already inverted it, but if it's having a hard time inverting it on this one, while this is about to grab buy side, we can see price respect this fair value gap while this goes up, grabs buy side, and then comes right back down. However, it doesn't happen all the time, so we just got to sit back, wait, and be patient. We'll see what happens, you know. Yeah, so let's just see what happens. I would like to see price invert this and then NQ continue to push up. It took the buy side. Damn, it took me out right where my freaking TP was at. Well, not my full TP. Could have been a green day. Let's just wait and see. I'd like to see price retrace a little deeper before I jump in. Yeah, feel like I'm gonna hop in. Yeah, I'm gonna throw a little position on right here. We got right here. And we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Let's adjust this. Make it accurate. Yeah, we'll just see what happens. If I end up losing, I'll go to micros, and we'll continue trading on there, just so I can get back to half my loss or something like that, or just hit the full loss of the day, and we'll just see what happens from here. You see, yes, yes is respecting off their value gap, while this took out buy side, as I was saying, but we'll see though. We'll see what happens. Take this out. Too crowded on here. There's going to be times where I'm not talking or anything like that just because I'm moving around on my desk. Not even my desk, I'm on my kitchen table. Tending to my children and everything like that. Yeah, it looks like it's going to stop me out on this one. Maybe. We'll see. Maybe we'll see. So another important thing to look at when you're looking at price is looking at how price moves past these highs, right? You got highs here, right? So one thing that's alarming to me is that when it passed this high, it didn't displace. You see how it passed the high, stopped, flipped up, now it's on its way down. That looks like to me that's a liquidity grab. It grabbed liquidity and now it wants to retrace deeper for some more liquidity because price moves from liquidity to liquidity, right? And that's what it's looking like for to me. It looks like it's respecting this fair value gap. It took out liquidity and everything like that. So it's exactly what it looked like, exactly how what I said could happen, and it did happen. But that is okay, right? That's all name of the game. How much are we down? 461. Let me pull out my calculator because I'm not that crazy in math. I pulled up the max loss in a day. That's like anything. 189. All right, cool. Yeah, I can move to micros. Can move to micros once I see something that I like. I'm only gonna go bullish because everything is pointing bullish to me. And yeah, we'll just see. We'll see what price wants to do, especially around here. Look at that. Stop me out again. Just to freaking put me in. You know what? I'm gonna go in again. Going with three contracts. Stop loss. Take profit. Boom, boom. And we'll just go from here. There's nothing marked up on this chart because this is a different chart. This is the micro contract for Nasdaq. So we'll just put a long position on here so we can see this a little bit more clearly. Targeting a 1 to 3. And then I'll take off if I could get to that point, I'll take off some for how do I move this book? I'll take off some here. I'll take off a contract there, and I'll take a come on, and I'll take a contract off in there. But like I said, we have to get there first. So now we can just wait. I will be tending to my children and having the mic on mute. Had to read a children's story to my daughters because they requested it. And I thought I was gonna be stopped out when I came back. Glad to see that I wasn't. But I'll probably see it in person as I'm standing here. But I am gonna go tend to them again. Mike is muted. Yep, had a full losing day today. 618. 618 is gonna be my end of day PM. So 1682. It's not looking good, bruv. Look at this. It's not looking good. It's okay though. It'd be like that sometimes, you know? Like look at that. Boom. And then look what followed after that. You know what I'm saying? So let's hopefully hopefully we get to capitalize a little bit more later on in the week. You know, maybe price wasn't as bullish as I thought it was, but that is fine. Again, hold on. Again, just thank you for watching. This is gonna be my this is I have other videos of me trading as well, but I'm gonna start off with this one. It's a little crappy video. I'm sorry. It doesn't have my face, doesn't have anything else in it, and on top of that, we started with a loss today. So I know that doesn't sit right with a lot of people. Not as fun to watch, but again, trading is not really that fun. You know, it's just a game of cat and mouse, and today the damn mouse won. The hunter has to wait another day to eat. So that's what we got going on. I did the trade recap already earlier in the video, and that's what we got going on. Today was a quick loss. We'll come back tomorrow. Hopefully, it'll be a better day. And hopefully, you guys can see my face because for some reason, this wasn't working. Got to figure out why. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, thank you guys. And I'll see you on the next one. Look at that, moving up. Whatever. I'll see you on the next one, guys.